Good morning, everybody. Well, back out again. It's a beautiful morning, and looking forward to going after everything else on the list. So stand by for more information. That was supposed to happen to the other one.
Well done.
Straight down, baby.
Well done.
That's how we're supposed to do it.
Well done.
Thank you.
Mr. Green, well done.
Thank you very much, Frederick.
Great shooting. We spotted them from up at the top there. You had probably a foot gap. Perfect shot. Tell us a little bit about the hunt. How did it go down?
It went very well. We were spotted for this one, and you had me move in behind the tree up there with the gap, and she was very alert, so he kept us out of sight and showed me where to shoot, and put it down.
The rest is history.
Yeah, enjoyed it.
325 Winchester short mag strikes again.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it was a tough hunt here in the mountains. Not much place to hide, not much cover, but we ended up getting it done. Well done.
Absolutely. Thanks a lot.
No
I really
problem.
appreciate it.